This is a complete step-by-step YouTube automation tutorial for
Do you want to discover how to actually monetize Faceless AI YouTube channels?
YouTube automation will literally blow your mind.
Business model, YouTube automation, and YouTube automation.
Before you dive into the world of YouTube automation, let me stop you right there. There's a truth lurking beneath the surface that not many people are willing to share. You've probably seen the endless videos, right? Gurus promise thousands, even millions of dollars with YouTube automation. They make it sound like a shortcut to success, like just setting things on autopilot will unlock the vault to passive income. But here's the thing, no one's talking about reality. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to share my journey, the highs and lows. If you're not prepared for what I'm about to tell you, YouTube automation could either be a gold mine or a total dead end. The reason I decided to create this video is not to discourage you, but to prepare you. When I first started looking into YouTube automation, I was fascinated. The idea of running a channel without being on camera sounded perfect, but when I searched for videos that talked about the real struggles, nothing. All I found were success stories, but no one was talking about the real grind behind the scenes. Because what I learned through trial and error, it's something you need to know before you waste your time and money. When I launched my channel Journey Signals, I was optimistic. I had the passion, but no clue about what I was doing. I started on camera, but with a cheap mic, terrible lighting, and no sense of direction. The result? No views, no subscribers. Then I stumbled upon the idea of automation. I thought, this is it, the secret weapon everyone's been hiding. But the truth? I had zero knowledge of what it actually meant. What I quickly realized was that success in YouTube automation hinges on one major thing, picking the right niche, and not just any niche, a niche with a high CPM. For those of you new to the game, CPM means cost per mille, the amount an advertiser pays YouTube for every 1,000 views. The higher the CPM, the more money you make. After going through a lot more articles and listening to all the so-called experts, I shifted my focus. I started making videos about AI and the educational niche. Slowly but surely, things started to change. My channel reached 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours within 2 months. It wasn't overnight success, but it was a start. It wasn't easy though. Contrary to what you might hear, automation isn't cheap. Sure, gurus claim you can produce entire videos for $50, but that's far from reality. Freelancers cost more, but here's where things got interesting. I found AI tools that changed everything for me. Instead of relying on expensive freelancers, I turned to AI. I started using ChatGPT for scripting. Most of my videos will be like tutorials, so I can't completely lay on ChatGPT. So I take some things away from ChatGPT, like the video intro and workflow. And just like that, within about 30 seconds, I had a script. I remember thinking to myself, damn, this is starting to feel like automation. Up to this process, I never spent a penny. Now I have a script, but the problem is I have a terrible microphone and voice, so I decided to go for voiceover in Fiverr and Upwork again. The same problem came as a barrier. Instead of paying $100 to a freelancer, I decided to spend $20 on 11 Lab and handled the video editing myself. And suddenly, I felt like I had cracked the code. But here's the catch. You still have to put in the work. You still need to manage the process, refine your content, and strategize. Even after producing videos, there's more to it than just hitting upload. Keywords, hashtags, thumbnails, if they don't align with your target audience, your video will sink. I learned that the hard way, but after some time, my videos started gaining traction. I got my first 1,000 views after just 2 days. From there, my small channel started to grow. I am confident this channel will reach big numbers in the future. Many videos gained traction unexpectedly, and with the next video, I received over 3,000 views, then 10,000, and eventually 15,000 views. This growth helped me reach my first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. In my view, YouTube automation gives off the wrong impression, like you're just clicking one button, instantly hitting thousands of views, and watching the money roll in. It makes the process sound effortless. But the truth is, the reality couldn't be further from that. Think of YouTube as a bustling marketplace where thousands of creators are vying for attention. To succeed, you need more than just videos. It's about delivering valuable content, polished production, and building an audience that sticks around. That takes effort, and it's anything but automated. To get there, you'll spend hours brainstorming unique ideas, crafting captivating scripts, and editing in ways that make your viewers want to watch till the very end. But the real kicker, unless you're already an expert at all of this, you'll need to bring in help. A skilled editor, a thumbnail designer who knows how to grab attention. Sure, you're not the one on camera, but guess what? You're the director behind the scenes. You're managing everyone, making sure things run smoothly. It's like being a cricket captain, setting the field and making strategic decisions, ensuring every player is in the right position to achieve the goal. And trust me, that takes time, energy, and a whole lot of patience. So, the term YouTube automation, it's really just a nice sounding myth. In the end, the only difference between a regular YouTuber and someone using automation is the face on camera. But everything else, it's still on you to make it work. Whether the channel flies or crashes, well, that's in your hands. The reason I decided to create this video is not to discourage you, but to prepare your mind. If you like the content, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for future updates.